Okay, let's proceed to number 7. A restaurant tests if a new menu improves customer satisfaction. If alpha is 0.01, what does it signify? Letter A, 1% chance of rejecting HO when it is true. Letter B, 1% chance of accepting HO when it is false. Letter C, 99% chance of rejecting HO when it is false. Letter D, 99% chance of accepting HO when it is true. Number 8. A fitness program claims participants lose 5 kilograms in a month. What is a type 2 error? Letter A, concluding the program works when it does not. Letter B, concluding the program does not work when it actually does. Letter C, rejecting both hypotheses. Letter D, accepting both hypotheses. Number 9. A car manufacturer claims fuel efficiency improves by 10%. What is HO? Letter A, HO colon, fuel efficiency improves by 10%. Letter B, HO colon, fuel efficiency does not improve by 10%. Letter C, HO colon, fuel efficiency improves more than 10%. Letter D, HO fuel efficiency improves less than 10%. Number 11. A farmer wants to test if a fertilizer increases crop yield. And then HO would be A, HO colon, fertilizer increases crop yield. Letter B, HO colon, fertilizer has no effect on crop yield. Letter C, HO colon, fertilizer decreases crop yield. Letter D, HO, fertilizer effect is unknown. Number 13. Supermarket tests if a loyalty program increases sales. H1 would be A, H1 colon, sales remain the same. Letter B, H1 colon, sales increases. Letter C, H1 sales decrease. Letter D, H1 sales fluctuate. So there is no number 12 after 11. It's 13. And then number 14. A mobile app claims to reduce task completion time. What is a type 1 error? Letter A. Concluding the app reduces time when it does not. Letter B. Concluding the app does not reduce time when it actually does. Letter C. Rejecting both hypotheses. Letter D. Accepting both hypotheses. Number 15. A school test if a new teaching method improves scores. HO would be A. HO colon. Method improved scores. Letter B. HO colon. Method does not improve scores. Letter C. HO colon. Method decreases scores. Letter D. HO. Scores are unknown. Number 16. A hotel claims guest satisfaction increase after renovation. H1 is A. H1. Satisfaction did not increase. Letter B. Satisfaction increase. Letter C. H1 colon. Satisfaction decrease. Letter D. H1 satisfaction unchanged. Number 17. A juice company claims sugar content is less than 10 grams. HO is A. HO colon. Sugar content is less than 10 grams. Letter B. HO colon. Sugar content is greater than or equal to 10 grams. Letter C. HO colon. Sugar content is equal to 10 grams. Letter D. HO colon. Sugar content is greater than 10 grams. Number 18. A fitness tracker claims step counter accuracy plus and or minus 5%. H1 is A. H1 colon. Accuracy is equal to plus or minus 5%. Letter B. H1 colon. Accuracy is not equal to plus minus 5%. Letter C. H1 accuracy is greater than plus and minus 5%. Letter D. H1 colon. Accuracy is less than plus or minus 5%. Number 19. A study wants to test if a study technique improves memory retention. Type 2 error is A. Concluding technique works when it does not. Letter B. Concluding technique does not work when it actually does. Letter C. Rejecting both hypotheses. Letter D. Accepting both hypotheses. Number 20. A research study tests if a new diet improves cholesterol levels. Alpha is equal to 0.01 indicates a 1% chance of rejecting HO when true. Letter B, 1% chance of failing to reject HO when false. Letter C, 99% chance of rejecting HO when false. Letter D, 99% chance of failing to reject HO when true. Our answer key for our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 7. Fundamental concepts in hypothesis testing, null and alternative hypothesis, level of significance, and types of errors. So, for numbers 1 to 5. For numbers 6 to 10. For numbers 11 to 15. For numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson.